Unang-una, nice to see you all. Of course, familiar faces of since 20 years ago. Pero mas marami kang puting buhok kaysa sa akin.
No problem.
I think I made that initial statement naman that it's an honor and privilege to serve as PSC chairman. I just had a very good endorsement chat with my friend Dicky. Kilala mo naman kami ni Dicky since our PBA days when I was chairman, and if I'm not mistaken, he was treasurer and a member of the board representing Alaska. So marami kaming pinagsamahan ni Dicky. So he told me that personally is very happy na ako ang pumalit sa kanya dito. At sabi ko nga pagbigyan mo ako na i-text ka at guluhin ka paminsan-minsan para malaman natin kung ano ang itutuloy yung programang tinatag mo sa PSC. And of course, how to improve it. Ako naman, simple lang. You know me very well. From basketball to boxing to rowing. Puso ko naman talagang dalawa lang naman yan sports tsaka turismo. And
waterfront.
And alam niyo rin naman yan, kombinasyon naman talaga yan. It's a beautiful combination, sports and tourism. So hopefully we can work closely with the Department of Tourism in trying to organize more international events, bring them over, and so the Philippines can host and our athletes can compete. Balita ko marami no? From the volleyball of Sir Tats to the futsal of
football,
and gymnastics. Then we prepare for SEA Games. Parang hinahapo na.
Batang Pinoy ka pa.
Batang Pinoy, saka National Para Games Chairman. Dahil Inclusivity National Para Games.
Kailan yun?
This year pa rin.
Sila ano yun? Sila Mike?
Sila Mike.
Sila Mike. Ay, gusto nyo kape? May kape ba ito? Meron. Later, sure. Sige. So, sabi ko nga, ito lang mga mensahe ko no? And I will mention this to the staff and the PSCP group later on. Number one, lumang nilalang na ako rito di ba? Hindi naman ako kailangan pang magpakilala. Alam niyo naman, mahal ko tong industriya to. And matagal na tayo nagsama. So, makakaasa kayo na kung paano tayo nagsama before is the same type of camaraderie and friendship I will continue. Walang pinagkaiba yan. Hindi ba? Dati executive director, president, ngayon chairman.
Secretary General.
Secretary General. But at the end of the day, Pato is a very simple nickname. Di ba? Pato is a very simple nickname. So kilala niyo ako, kilala ko kayo. Di ba? Alam ko ang issues, problems ng mga atleta dahil nag-secgen nga tayo ng POC. Alam ko na yung puso nating lahat hindi sa sports. Lahat naman ng tao mahal ng sports. Ang tanong lang naman kung yung pagmamahal mo ba, naiintindihan mo rin yung problema nila para manalo sila. And I've always said this. I remember when I became sec-gen of boxing and even president of rowing, sinasabi ko lang naman, when you tell the athlete laban para sa bayan, sinilip na ba natin yung kapakanan nila? So, simple lang yan. Never kong kinalimutan yan. Yan ang video ko. Ako, pamilya ko, bayan ko. So when you tell the athlete laban para sa bayan, check mo na ba kung ano yung buhay niya? Check mo na ba kung kamusta yung pamilya niya? But because if you tell him to fight and carry that flag, hindi mo naman alam yung personal niya problema, yung problema ng pamilya, hirap lumaban para sa bayan. So, yun lang yun. Ako, bayan ko. Ako, pamilya ko. Bayan ko. So, yun lang natin na ano yun. Next, I'm sure you've done this research. I think it was Juno who told me I am your lucky 13th chairman of the PSC. Pang-13 na pala ito, di ba? So what I can promise you is expect big changes, di ba? Don't expect anything less than a vibrant and exciting transformation. I think I've been known to do that. Out of the box, kaya natin yan, tulungan tayo. And importante sa akin yung tulong ng the men and women of the Philippine Sports Commission. Very, very important sa akin. And dapat magtulungan kaming lahat, diba? Walang away. Walang tampuhan. Meaning, I'll make sure we understand each other. So, ano to guys, big dreams are built on solid fundamentals. I have I believe PSC has 3 key roles. Number 1, very obvious, you enable our national athletes. Diba, yung sinabi ko, laban para sa bayan, pero ako, pamilya ko, bayan ko. Number 2, angat natin ng konti yung antas. Let us leverage sports para naman for economic development. Diba? Pag progresibo yung bayan, progresibo yung sports. Progresibo yung bayan. Diba? So gawin natin yon. Diba? Sports is not just entertainment. It is winning so that yung 110 million Filipinos feel happy. Sabi ko nga, when I saw Caloyudo with 2 goals, and of course yung kay Hidelin, ang una kong pananaw doon, ang hirap palang kumanta ng national anthem na hindi mo mabuo yung national anthem kasi tumutulo yung luha. Diba? Para bang sa sports lang yan. That when you sing the national anthem, and hindi mo mabuo-buo kasi mas malakas na yung bagsak ng luha mo. And did I experience that personally? Yes, in Paris. When Kaloy won. Diba? So, yun yung mga gusto kong sabihin sa mga atleta. Number 3, and if you check the mandate of the PSC, which is very clear, yes, winning medals is number 1, primordial, kumbaga pa, thrust. Pero, paano yung healthy citizen? A healthy media. Yeah. A healthy chairman, a healthy PSC group. Diba? A healthy community, 110, 115 million Filipinos. They also have to feel the vibrance of the Philippine Sports Commission. Kasama yon sa usapan. Bigyan niyo po kami ng pagkakataon na yung pagsilbi ng PSC at ng mga members of the commission, hindi lang sa atleta, pati sa taong bayan. If we can excite these LGUs, if we can excite the communities, if we can excite people in the provinces, that is grassroots. That is grassroots. So sabi ko nga, we as chairman, and you know naman, galaw-gaw rin ako eh. So, hanggat maaari, if I was told there 2 times a month board meeting of the PSC, I will propose to the MANCOM and to the members of the commission na siguro once a month dito tayo sa Rizal or sa Ultra, pero once a month dito tayo sa probinsya mag-board. Punta tayo sa Baguio, punta tayo sa Cebu, punta tayo sa Davao, punta tayo sa kung saan yung may mga atleta. And let's talk to the LGUs for their support, the mayors and the governors. Diba? So, yung board meeting kasi is approving what you want to do. Pero on the other hand, pakinggan mo rin kung ano yung gusto nila at baka naman pwede tayo makipagtulungan. So that is a management philosophy that I'd like to adhere to. So, ako, message ko lang naman sa inyong lahat po, under my leadership, PSC, NSAs, PSC staff, my media friends, sabi ko, number one, sa Tagalog po yung umambag tayo, aambag tayo. Diba? What do I mean by that? You know, we do our part in the transfer